Welcome back to another video. It is 17:23 on a Tuesday. Don't know yet when I'm going to upload this video, but today I'm trying two different things. Today I'm trying two different things. I'm trying a new flavor of electrolytes, mango flavor, and a new flavor of pre-workout, a brand also. This is from Pro Hemp. They basically make CBD stuff, and I thought, you know what? It's all natural basis, so let me try it out and see if it does something. If it does, we have a win, and if it doesn't, well, I guess I wasted my money, but you know, sometimes you just gotta try things in life. So this is the pre-workout, this right here. So I'm going to try it and see what it does. It does smell amazing, so that's already a win. This is what it basically looks like. Hope you can see that. Put a little bit in. They say once, whoa, that was almost one scoop, 6.5 grams. Small scoop, so I'm curious to know. Also doing the electrolytes. So instead of drinking plain water, I'm drinking some electrolytes. That does smell amazing. Let me just let's taste the pre-workout though. Different. Doesn't taste so chemical. It has like a light flavor in a way. So we got that out of the way. Let me go to the program of today. Basically nothing new. We're doing elevated goblet squats, bulletproof sage, Arnold press, barbell row, and some side raises. I haven't done side raises in a while, so let me see how that's going to go. I have not put chest on this thing. I think I'm gonna skip chest today. I'm just gonna do some leg and back workout. I might throw in some push-ups here and there, by the way, but we'll see. So that is the program for today. I have to say that yesterday I had my 5th driving lesson, and it's going pretty well. I'm starting to trust myself more behind the wheel, and it's crazy still for me to say that out loud, since last year I didn't even know I was ever going to start driving. So yeah, I'm proud of myself of what I'm doing so far, and I'm pretty sure there will be days that I'm not gonna feel as confident, but I'm doing pretty well, even though I say so myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna warm up a bit and prepare to get the workout done. So let's go. So it took me about 29 minutes or so. And I have to say, by the way, the pre-workout is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm happy with my purchase. This week I'm not weighing in because it's the time of the month and I know I get bloated. So after I get that over with, I will be weighing myself again to see the changes. Yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna have dinner, waiting for my groceries to arrive, edit and wind down for the rest of the evening. So, oh yeah, before I forget, the workout was amazing. Nothing too crazy, but it's good to be back. I haven't trained in about maybe 3 days or so. So it's good to be able to lift weights again without feeling any pain. Luckily, my foot is okay now, but I just have to look at it day by day to see what's going on and take it from there. That's why this workout plan is created, especially for me, with all the pains that I'm feeling every once in a while. So basically, whenever I feel good, especially like in my back, I make sure I do some lower body exercises in order for me to train anyway, because I don't want to be like shredded on top and then not having any muscles in my legs and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, enough rambling. I'll see you in the next one.